David Goodness, as a the officers of the leaders and fund assemblies, for the welfare of the society and the just government of the people, seated to hold, hereby and favors your servants, whom you have been pleased to report the performance of important trust in this department. Let your blessings descend upon us in assembly, and grant which you consider all matters come on deliberations, so just in the manners to promote your honor and the glory that grants the peace, prosperity, and welfare of our county and of those interests you have committed to our child. Honored members, allow me make the
do solemnly affirm that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly member of Bungoma County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions to the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and conventions of Parliament, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
People recite the
pursuant to Section 38 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with Regulation 3 of 1, 34 of 1 of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015. I, Eric Wekesa, holder of National ID number 274-08765 and Post Office Box number 1886-5200 Bungoma, having been elected as a member of the County Assembly of the Bungoma County, of the County of Bungoma, do hereby confirm that I have read and understood the Leadership and Integrity Act number 19 of 2012 and commit to abide by the General Leadership and Integrity Code as set out under Part 2 of the Act.
You can now proceed and have the you give the microphone so that we confirm.
08765.
All the members, I confirm that the member present before me here is Honorable Eric Wekesa of ID number 27-48-765. Honorable members, in our 2:30 p.m. session, we'll be proceeding as our honorable members who are the escort of honor can now escort the honorable member to go and take up his position there aside. In the meantime, one of our officers will give him the basic requirements of the standing order alongside the Constitution and the Government Act for use as his daily fruit of trade. Now you can escort him to the bank. He will go then from there you take him. You can see the nearest seat available. All the members, order, all the members. Allow me.